So, can you always show the dock on your iPad? Well, that's the question. Of course, as you are on the home screen, it is always visible. However, once I get the inside of the apps, like for instance, I'm going to go to the settings, right? I'm going to get inside settings. You can see that the dock has disappeared from the bottom. So you can technically make it reappear at any time simply by swiping up like this, and the dock is going to stay on the screen for some time. So it kind of gets the job done if that's the thing which you want, right? Like it isn't here, but it's not like it can stay here at all times. You might also wonder about if you can resize the apps. That might help a little bit. So in the settings, if you go to multitasking and gestures, you can go to the windowed apps, and then now, as you can see, if you resize it, you have the dock visible on the screen at all times. So I'm not saying this is ideal because the apps are now taking up like less space on the screen, but it kind of works because, as you can see, the dock is always visible. So I can use the app normally, do whatever I want, and the dock is still there and it's not disappearing. So this was like the point of my video. Like, obviously, if the app is taking up the whole screen, then the dock is always going to be hiding. But if you resize the apps like this and, you make more space for the dock at the bottom, then it's always going to be visible. But for that, if people enjoy this kind of mode, then I guess it would make sense to switch to the stage manager mode. In the settings and multitasking and gestures, you can as well switch to the stage manager, which is a little bit different because now you can like open up more apps in here and as well use them in this mode. Like, of course, if you cover the dock, it's going to disappear, so make sure it's not covering it so it stays on the screen. But now you can kind of like jump back and forth, the apps and so on, so it's kind of useful that way. So I guess that would be it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next uploads.